Hi guys, welcome to Sadi's SFDC. In this video, we are going to see about productivity tool for Salesforce. Once you start using Salesforce, you may find difficulty in using Salesforce in some cases. To overcome this, so many productivity tools are there. Some are free. One of such is Salesforce Inspector. It is a Google Chrome extension and it is available in Firefox also. Now we are going to see how to add this Salesforce extension in Google Chrome. Please open Google Chrome and type Salesforce Inspector. You will find the first link itself, Salesforce Inspector. Just click it. Here, remove from Chrome is there because I already installed. Otherwise, it will ask add to your extension. If you click it, it will be added instantly. Now go to your org or any org. You can find an arrow mark here. This is Salesforce Inspector. Click users. You will find the user details of the current org. And these are the options available in Salesforce Inspector. We will see that one by one in our other videos. Click objects. Here it will show all the objects available in your org. If you click account, it will directly redirect it to your setup. This is your setup page. If it is not this, you have to go for a 4 iteration. Like you have to go to your setup and the object manager and search for account and then you have to click it. This 4 step has been reduced to 1. I am sure that it will reduce at least 30 minutes of your total development time in Salesforce. Thank you guys. Subscribe to our channel to see more such videos.